Hi, Ramzi. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share this custom video for you. I've done some pretty extensive research on Ramsey Studio, so let's go ahead and jump right in. When somebody goes to Google and they type in, for example, real estate photography Atlanta, the first thing you see are the ads. These are paid ads, right? Aside from that, you have this section here, and we call this the map pack or the citations. This is where your Google business profile is. Now, I did see yours. I went ahead and pulled it up. I noticed you don't have any reviews as yet, so definitely add some more reviews. That's going to help you get ranked in this section. But more importantly, you want to have some citations. This tells me immediately that you need to have more citations added. And a citation is simply a business name, your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories across the World Wide Web, such as Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The more directories that you're listed in, is the higher up you'll get ranked, because we really want you to be in the top three in order to be ranked in this area. Because as you and I both know, nobody goes past page one for anything that they search for on Google. And to be honest with you, I did search for your business and I didn't notice it in the first 4 pages and I stopped there. And just went ahead and pulled you up directly as I showed you here. Now, I want to jump over to the next section, and that's this down here. This area is the organic section. It is extremely hard for Google to get rid of whoever is ranking in this section once you're there. But the challenge is to get there. And what gets you there is everything to do with backlinks and the content that you have on your page. So I noticed that your business website is really clean. I love how sleek it looks. You have your connections to all of your outside links here. Very, very good. The only thing I noticed that's missing are two things. Immediate call to action. So when someone lands on your website, 90% of the time they're going to be on their mobile phone. So you want your phone number to be listed somewhere at the top so that way when they click, that they can immediately reach out to you. Um, and call the business. Because 9 times out of 10, if they landed on your website, they've already decided that they want to do some type of business with you. They already found you. But as far as actually reaching out to you is what you want to make accessible to them. I see something here that is a call to action. It says what's okay. So this leads to the contact page. So definitely have this as so they can call you directly. Make this clickable to call. The other thing is content. You want to add more content to the home page, which by the way, I noticed the home page isn't the home page. It's Ramsey Design. The home page definitely should be the home page, and you want to have more words. What do I mean by that? I went ahead and pulled up your top competitor, and where I got them from, Curb Appeal, they're number one here, and they're number one here. So I pulled up their website so you could take a look at what they have going for them, and as you can see, it's not as attractive as yours, right? Like nowhere near as attractive, but they definitely have a lot more backlinks on their page, and they have a lot more content on their page. Because you got to understand, we're not making this for the customer eye. We're really making this for the Google robots in order to be ranked. And when the robots rank your page, what they're looking to see is what is the information. So even these pictures that you have in the background, you want to save these pictures as the keywords that you're trying to be located for. Now, let's jump over here so you can understand, make sure that you fully understand what I mean when I say keywords. This is your business in this tool that I use called Eris. I pay about $100 a month for it. And this is telling me that you don't have a ton of backlinks linking back to you. You do have 8, which is nothing to scoff at. Congratulations to you on your new business. I noticed you started back in January of last year. And you have 8 websites linking back to you 19 times. But based on this UR and DR rating, these numbers need to be a lot closer to each other in order for it to be healthy backlinks that are linking to you. So it should be 9 and 11 or 99 and 98. It should be very close. The closer the number, the more powerful the backlink, right? So what do I mean? Let's go ahead and take a look at that same competitor, Curb Appeal Photography, in the same tool. They have 59 websites websites linking back to them over 1,000 times, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you need 1,000 backlinks. Notice the power of the each link that they're getting. It's very close. The numbers are similar, so it tells us that they have strong backlinks. So the strategy here would be to go into these backlinks and see exactly which ones are working for them. And if I were you, I'd ask for a link on those pages. Of course, the pages that are relevant to your business. You know, if you see a pizza shop in there, Google knows you don't sell pizza, so don't reach for that one. But the other ones, definitely, anything that has to do with what your business is. Now, let's jump over to the keywords again. I want to take a really good look at this. They have over 500 keywords that are working in their favor. Uh-oh. I'm going to pause this and hop right back in. Right. So they have a lot of keywords that are working for them, but I specifically want to talk about Atlanta, anything that has to do with where you're located and where you're trying to be ranked for. So real estate photography Atlanta, this is telling us that 150 people search for this keyword per month. They are getting 74 out of those 150, and they're in the number one position on Google for it, right? And then you have, let's look up another keyword just for context sake. In regards to Atlanta real estate photography, 60 people look for that versus this is a totally different keyword. You see that 23 people out of those 60 they get, and they're in the number one position for that keyword. So when it comes to this particular niche, and I notice you have a few different niche on your page, they're the ones to beat in regards to that. And then you will pretty much go down the list for everything: commercial photography, real estate photography, video production, etc., and do the same, rinse and repeat the same process. But these are the type of keywords you want to save all these photos as. So that's pretty much all I have for you. You want to add the authoritative content to your homepage, at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. You want to have these photos saved as the correct keywords. Start adding some reviews to your Google Business profile, as well as more photos to your Google Business profile as well too. And in case you want to know how many, take a look at your top competitor, and also citations and backlinks. Once you get all of that going for you, you'll notice the increase of leads that's going to start calling you and start coming your way. All right, that's all I have for you, Ramzi. Leave me some feedback. Let me know if it was good for you, if it was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. And I'd love to welcome your call in regards to how we could partner. Have a good day.